Hey guys, this is gonna be a grocery haul video. This is kind of the stuff that I got. So basically for breakfast, what I'm gonna do is have this cereal. I normally get the honey one, but they didn't have any because they were having like a sale, so they were sold out. But I'm gonna have this cereal, and I'll add flaxseed and a little bit of blueberries with this Silk almond milk. It has 8 grams of plant protein. That's why I buy that one. I got lemons for my lemon water. I have carrots and cucumber for a snack. I also really am obsessed with these salt and vinegar pistachios. They're so good. So I got 2 of those because there was a deal. For another snack at work, I'm just having some berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. So for lunch at work, I marinated this chicken in a bunch of different spices with some lemon juice, and it's just been like marinating. So that's what that is. I'm gonna have it with brown rice, which I have in my cupboard upstairs. I'm gonna make it kind of like a bowl. I was gonna add corn. I'm adding corn, broccoli, black beans, brown rice, and chicken. Yeah, that's what the bowl is gonna be. And then, so that's my lunch. And then for dinner, I'm gonna have spinach with pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, feta cheese, cucumber. I'm gonna add tomato that I have upstairs and avocado to it. And then I'll probably have a protein shake with my dinner. And that's what I'm gonna be eating for this week. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I'm prepping everything. Okay, so for this rice, I just followed the back. Just the rice, water, butter, and some salt. And I'm gonna cook it on the stove. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, uncovered. So I'm going to bring to a boil uncovered, stir once or twice. Then once it's boiling, I reduce heat, simmer, cover it, and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll turn this on. Hi. So that's going now. So I'm just heating some olive oil up in a pan, and then I'm going to add my chicken and cook that until it's cooked all the way through, obviously. So I just added the chicken to the pan and I'm gonna cook it. And this is boiling, so I'm gonna turn it to simmer and then cover and let it sit for 40 minutes. Okay, so for this, I'm just gonna do it daily. I added in the serving for the cereal that it says on the box. On the side, I have the blueberries that I'm gonna throw on top of the day of. I have some flaxseed in here, and I have my almond milk in a little mason jar. When I get to work, I normally eat my breakfast there. So that's that. So this would be my first snack. So 2 of the days I'm gonna have kiwi, and the last 3 days I'll have the berries. It's about a cup of berries, and then it's about 2.5 kiwis. Okay, so the chicken is done cooking. I'm just waiting on the rice still. I put some olive oil and roasted garlic and pepper seasoning on this, and I'm gonna cook it in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I chopped up the carrots and cucumber and divided it up. And then I have the rice, chicken, corn, black beans, and broccoli. I split it all up equally into 5 containers. So that's my lunch for the week. So there's my breakfast in the morning. First snack is the kiwi, lunch, last snack. And then I will film when I get home my salad for dinner.